You gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Today, I've got a massive box with a bag in it from Coach, limited edition, that I'm going to unbox with you now. Okay, that all got a little bit high-pitched and a little bit squeaky, but that's because I am quite excited about this, and I say that a lot. I appreciate that. And if you're watching the videos, you're probably like, well, you get excited about a lot of things, Gwenny. And you're not wrong. I am like an overstimulated 5-year-old. So yeah, I get overexcited about things. So this is something that I have been looking at for months and months and months and months. Kept talking myself out of it, kept talking myself back into it. Didn't talk myself back into it, kept talking myself out of it, had conversations with a lion about it for months, and it's not like a little bird bag or anything like that. He was actually on board with this one. So this is the box it came in, absolutely huge. Tremendously excited about this. Have I mentioned that? Okay, so let's get rid of the paper. It is also very, very noisy. Coach dust bag. What do we think it could be? Let's just get straight in. Straight in, have a look, and then we'll have a little chat about Coach as well. So I have bought from Coach, and it's going to take me a while to get all the packaging off it. I have bought the soft tabby from the Sketch collection. I am going to unpackage all of this and then we can look at some details together. Let's get rid of all of this. I have detached the straps. I don't envisage there being any reason for me to send this back. Oh, there's a spare dust bag. I have been looking at this for months and months and months and months and months. Oh my word, look at all of these little dividery things. You've got little Coach hang tag. Felt really stiff when it was fully stuffed with all of that paper and packaging and everything. Okay, let's go through some of the details first and then we'll talk about why I went for this. Okay, so we have the C buckle. I am going to say I don't like the C buckle on the Coach bags. One of my favourite things about my Basquiat Beat 18 is that it's got this it's almost like an omega sign, or like it makes me think of a bull's ring, nose ring. So I really like that. It's a C, yes, but the way it's orientated, it doesn't look like a C. And then the other Coach, these are my other two Coach bags, by the way. I should have led with that. It's hot in here. I've had to turn my fan off and close my window, and I am burning up. So love this bag. You might be able to see some sort of similarity between these two bags. We'll get into that. Okay, so where was I? Soft tabby. Don't like the C. However, with all of this other stuff going on it, it's not quite so obvious as it is on one of the sort of plain soft tabbies. And I have been looking at the green one. The green one is absolutely gorgeous, the sage colour. But it was this one that really, really got my attention. Squishy. Really, really got my attention because it's been scribbled on. It looks like it's been scribbled on. And my Basquiat looks like it's been scribbled on. I apparently like handbags and bits of clothing and stuff that look like they have been scribbled on. So we've got the big C, we've got writing, perfect ending. Did anyone, when they were a kid, do this kind of, it's not quite bubble writing, but sort of 3D writing and filled it in with different colours and things. We've got a heart, we've got New York, we've got bye bye butterfly, pick up the phone, 1 2 3 4 5. like me being an overstimulated 5-year-old. If you are new to my channel, then hiya, I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms, and I do count Coach as a luxury brand, albeit not one of the top-notch luxury brands. And if you like luxury in all of its glorious forms, get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, go on, give them a like, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So some of this is debossed and kind of almost painted, debossed and print painted, and some of these elements are actually embroidered on. So this heart with a cross through it is embroidered on with some silver thread running through that. That's a really nice detail. May not show up particularly well on the camera, but in real life, actually, that's a lovely detail. And I haven't seen this in real life. I saw the normal Tabby 26 in the black version of this in real life, and it was nice, but I wanted the soft, larger size. This star is embroidered with gold thread. This heart is debossed and then a sort of shiny paint used. And then this heart, this double heart scribble next to it, that's embroidered in. So it's just really, really nicely done. Same as the Basquiat, the famous on the Basquiat. This is embroidered. The handle is embroidered. This is all debossed and then sort of printed or painted. So it's a lovely combination of let's say mixed media, mixed materials. Really, really, really gorgeous. On the back we have lovely, lovely zipped pocket. What do we call it, kids? We call it a basic human right to have a rear slip pocket on a bag. It's quite sizable as well. Does it go up? No, it doesn't go up, it just goes down. So that's the depth of it. It goes all the way. I can touch my finger here. So you can have the thing that you want to keep closest to you there. It's a magnet closure. Finds itself quite nicely. This is empty and quite squishy. A little bit of guiding needed, but otherwise all good. On the inside we have the Tabby Bag Genuine Full Grain Leather. There's an Only You scribble, a strawberry, and without knowing how or when or from where. And you could say that about my fascination with handbags and this kind of handbag in particular. Then you've got the panel, leather panel on the inside with the Coach Creed on it. Nothing specific about this particular collection. Two main compartments inside. You can see how squishy it is, yeah, by how I'm moving it. And then you've got a slip pocket here with a little popper closure on it and a little care card. Really, really, really liking bags that look like they've been scribbled on. I think that takes me back to my teenage school years where I had a blue rucksack, cloth rucksack, and I went to town on it with Tipp-Ex, marker pens, you name it. Anyone else out there, I don't think kids do that anymore, but it does remind me an awful lot of my teenage years at school. I wanted something that was a little bit bigger than my usual size handbags and that would allow me to carry a little bit more, and that was also really quite fun and easy to put together with a really simple outfit. T-shirt, jeans, let this do all of the talking. So let's see if one of my newest favoritist toys, my little hand fan from John Lewis, will fit in here. And it does fit in there. It might push things out a little bit. That's in the back pocket. That's on the inside pocket. But to be honest, this is likely to be in my hand. This is a really chunky thing. There is no way this is going to go in any of my mini baguettes. So I still call that a bit of a win. There is so much I could get in there. I'm going to go and grab a few things and just chuck it all in there. Okay, I've got it stuffed with the things that I was carrying the other day when I went on a little shoppy vloggy vlog. Shoppy shop vloggy vlog. pop the magnet, that's what it's called. Okay, this is what we've got in here. I've got my fan sitting on top, it just lays on top, no problemo. Sunnies, my sunnies can actually go inside a bag rather than being clipped on the outside of the bag. And because it is a bigger bag, I am able to carry my mini pochette accessoire instead of decanting the bare minimum of paracetamols and things like that into a little key pouch, like my Gucci one is the one I've been using, and this is my ride or die. The Louis Vuitton one from 2003, I've had that, and there's still plenty of room in there to chuck in my round coin purse, and I've got my Tiffany card holder. So that's what I've been using recently. That will all fit in there with absolutely no bother whatsoever. So in terms of size, this is a really, really usable size for me. But at the moment, it's looking a little bit like a clutch bag. And you could absolutely use it as a clutch bag. But, oh, I forgot to show you. I've got my phone slotted in the back there. Open. My phone is a folding phone. So where was I? Yes, clutch bag. You could carry it as a clutch bag. Why not? But one of the best things about Coach, and one of the things I really loved about my Basquiat, is it comes, or Coach bags will quite often come with various strap options. So on my Basquiat, I currently have the grab handle. You can see that this has got little, there you go. Oh, look at that. It's like it did that on cue. So it's a removable grab strap. This also comes with a chain strap and a full length crossbody strap. So that's that one. And this one comes with a grab handle. It's quite a big grab handle. See you soon, it says. It's quite a big grab handle, and I think this could potentially be a shoulder strap as well. It also comes with this chunky chain strap, which actually, I didn't realise this. It looks very, very cool. It looks like they're leather chain straps where it's got the stitching around. Now this is metal. It's not leather, and yes, you could wear it as a necklace if you wanted to. And lastly, but by no means leastly, is the adjustable, take note Louis Vuitton, removable crossbody strap. Now this, I'll have a play around with the settings, the length settings. This has got a little star on it there. It's got class there, which makes me think more of school than, oh, she's a classy bird. We've got Big Apple, and we've got, oh, crikey, runner up here. It's all happening. Coach, and take your sweet time. So I will play around and do some mod shots so you can see this on me. I know a lot of people have unkind things to say about Coach, but I really do rate the quality. The glazing on this looks absolutely perfect. They clearly take a huge amount of care in producing the bags. I mean, this is beautifully done, really beautifully done. The detailing is really, really great as well. On the inside of the magnet there, it says Coach, and then on the corresponding part, it also says Coach. These are lovely, wonderful details. So no, I am not going to try and tell you that Coach is up there with Louis Vuitton and Chanel and Hermes in terms of prestige and that sort of luxury vibe. What I am going to tell you is Coach quality is absolutely brilliant, and if they did more styles and designs that I really liked, I would be buying more Coach. A lot of the designs I'm not a huge fan of, and as said, I don't like the big C. It means nothing to me, this big C. I can't apply it to anything. With Gucci and the GGs, my name is Gwenny, so I can make that little correlation, which pleases me. This means nothing to me. If they did more designs that I like, and I do like the look of the Brooklyn, I have been looking at that as well, then I would be buying more Coach. And so I'm going to start petitioning them to and sending them some design ideas, because I would like to buy more Coach. I think the quality is absolutely excellent. So I wanted part of the sketch collection I also wanted a white bag. Been very, very scared about going for a white bag. Have always liked the look of Coach chalk. So for me, this was an absolute win on several fronts. It references New York. I loved being in New York with the handbag tribe. This will be a nice little reminder. If I could have only bought this in New York at the time, like if I could have only bought my Louis Vuitton New York passport cover in New York at the time, that's the only way it could be better. It's a white bag, although it is that chalk off-white, which is perfect. I didn't want anything stark white. It looks like it's been scribbled on already. It's got one of your basic human rights. It doesn't have feet, but it's got one of your basic human rights. The leather itself shouldn't be touching any surface you put it down on because of the concertina shape of it and the fact that it's got this beautiful thick glazing all the way around. So, I mean, it just ticks a lot of boxes for me, and it's a bigger bag. So I'm going to go and have a little play around with handles and things like that, take the remaining little bits of packaging off it, because this is a win. I don't see anything wrong with it at all. I am absolutely delighted to have this addition to my collection. And I've just noticed down the sides it's got some hearts on this side, and it's got charged and some stars on this side. I love it. I absolutely love it. So I suppose you're going to want to know how much this cost and what we paid for it. Coach is more expensive in the UK than it is in the States because it is a US brand. So this sketch retail price is 650 Great British pounds. On the website it's on sale down to 520 Great British pounds. And the Lion had a deal with his bank for a cashback if he bought directly from the Coach website, 10% cashback. So let's say it's 468 Great British pounds. So almost £200 off the retail price, which is a bit of a bargain. And you know, I love to be able to pick up a bit of a bargain, and Coach things generally do go in the sale. So happy with that result as well. Bargain though it may be, I probably shouldn't have been spending the money ahead of Paris with the handbag tribe. Should be sandbagging all of that cashola, all of that paper cash money to go shopping with the handbag tribe. Oh well. So let me know what you think of my new addition. Do you think it's me? Do you think it's fun? Do you think it's ridiculous and silly? Do you think, but Gwenny, you only need one bag that looks like it's been scribbled on. Why do you need more? Well, I do. But let me know all of your thoughts down in the comments section. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, love. Go and give it a like. And until I see you, yes, you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye.